Hello. In this video I'll show you how to ping and traceroute an IP address and domain using smartphone. First install the Termix app in your smartphone. You can use the clear command to clear the screen. Then you do the ping command as usual. To stop ping command, use the key combination Ctrl and C. For the traceroute command, you need to take one more step. You need to install the Tracepath package. After the installation is complete, execute the traceroute command as usual. Thanks to watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.